Righto.
What do you reckon, Ben?
Yep. Let's get it underway.
Okay, here.
Let's do it in. Righto. Gonna paint my Suzuki Sierra and cut some rust out. It's got a new turret
From the wreckers.
It's had a glued in windscreen. Yeah, be careful then.
It's not funny.
Got it for $1,000. It's got rust in the bottom of the pillars.
Drip rails, and you can see where it's been bogged up in the roof before.
A few nasty looking bits and like, yeah, put a turret on it. A few dents in the tailgate. Crack in the inside. This flare's fucked. So got a new flare. Gotta pull the dash out. The little vent on the outside there's full up of leaves. Inside, floor's pretty good, not really any rust in the floor. Yeah, there was rust on the inside of the turret as well. Inside of the roof, so I'm like, yeah, just do a roof job. Rust in the bottom and in the corners, behind the guard, so the guard will have to come off. And heaps of bog in the bonnet. Yeah. So yeah, better get started and strip it. This new roof, you can see all the drip cap along the edges has got cracks and it's porous, so it's chiseling a bit off there, and you can see there's rust in the corner, so I'll sandblast that and rust prep it, clean it all up before we put the roof on. Hey Ben.
That's it.
Righto, see ya.